I'm all like this, eh? Today, I come with my anointing oil. I'm in the spirit. Rebel. I come anoint Peter Obi lawyers. Yes. I'm in the spirit. As Peter Obi lawyers, as they don't conclude their case today. Yes. As they don't conclude their case yesterday. Are you with me in the spirit? Yes. I don't tell and I say, for me, I test small of my anointing. The anointing is sweet. The anointing is sweet. I don't tell and I say, this matter, so from the 3rd of July, now this tribunal matter, I want from tough. I won't see the way INEC lawyer want to defend the result of the declare their winner. Oh Lord. Now here we did now. Early. But yesterday, as they all finish the case, now Peter Obi lawyer come out and yesterday, the doctor said, with all the evidence and everything they don't drop for the tribunal matter, so say INEC and APC lawyer say they go get sleepless nights. Guarantee sleepless. I anoint that sleepless night. The truth must prevail. Early, I anoint Peter Obi lawyers. I anoint una. Receive early. So when I watch the video now, they don't come and doctor say the way evidence they don't present, say they will give their INEC and APC lawyers sleepless. Even PDP are not come and say, hey, say this one not be business as usual. Say they don't shake their leg today. Oh Lord. I don't want to talk too much. When I watch it for you, if I watch Peter Obi lawyer, when they talk to the PDP lawyer constantly talk. Forces. Oh Lord. When I watch it.
We thank God that we came this far. We have closed our case. So the ball now is in the court of the respondents. That is to say, INEC, Bola Tinubu, and then his deputy, Shetima, and of course, APC. I can assure you that we are ready for their defense. Very, very ready for them to open their case on the 3rd of July. And we will take it up from there.
So are you pleased with the witnesses called and the documents entered and the whole long jump on INEC?
I am pleased with our presentation of our case. Certainly, you don't expect me to be pleased with the conduct of INEC, which is now in the public domain. But that notwithstanding, we still made impressive presentation. There is one fact that can never be denied, that can never, ever be denied, and that is to say, we tendered blood ballot papers, 18,088. Throughout the course of their cross-examination, there was nowhere they ever challenged those 18,088 blood results. And you know what 18,088, what they mean? You are talking about millions of voters who were denied the opportunity of Nigerians, the candidates, having their votes. You know, they voted. Their votes did not count. On that score alone, INEC should have a sleepless night. On that score alone, that 18,088 results were blood. And that is not all. That is not all. We applied to INEC for CTC, certified true copies of results. And INEC gave us certified true copies of results that are not only blood, but results that contain, instead of results, the images of vehicles, human beings, and the rest of them. I mean, and mutilations. I've never seen anything like that. Instead of results, you find images of human beings, houses, and so many other things. But let's wait for them to open their respective cases. So we'll see what happens.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It may not be possible for us to go into details with respect to that, because that will touch the merits of the case. But suffice it to say that we fielded our last witness today, who, as you can see, tendered very, very critical documents pertaining to the qualifications of the second respondent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the academic qualifications, including the NYSC certificate, and then the conviction, the criminal forfeiture judgment from the US, as well as the Guinean passport. So all these documents were admitted by the court, and we were able to round off our case on that note, having called 27 witnesses. So, and as the law permits us, and also in accordance with the pre-hearing report, we have eventually closed the calling of evidence by the petitioner. So the next stage now is for the respondents. If they have any defense, they will bring forward their own witnesses, and it will now be our turn to cross-examine those witnesses. If we have documents to challenge them with, we will do so. When they finish calling their witnesses, they too will close their case formally, and then the parties will now address the court on issues of law. That's why you see most of the times questions are asked, we say these are matters for address, because there are legal issues that at the end of the day will address the honorable court on. So we are very happy that this second stage, we've finished with the pre-hearing. Now we have concluded with the presentation of the petitioner's case, and we're very happy reviewing entirely what has been presented before the court. So we'll now wait to hear from the respondent, and when they finish, we all leave everything in the hands of the court. So thank you very much. Yes.
The witnesses you presented so far, particularly key witnesses.
Yes.
Their submission seems, from an observer standpoint,
yes,
their submission seems to be undoing the case of your clients. Can you speak otherwise than that?
You see, like I said, we try not to touch the merits of the case. What we usually will want to do is just to inform you the stages at which we are, even though it would have helped to enlighten you, on that, but we'll refrain from so doing. Yes, it's for the court to determine, but our responsibility is to present the case, which we have done by the documents you saw we tendered, as well as the witnesses we called. There's a division of labor in this industry. The lawyers will do their own bit, the lawyers for the petitioners, the respondents will do their own bit, and then the court will summarize everything and then present the judgment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.